Court delivers fresh judgment on Rivers Assembly crisis. Oh wow, the long-expected news that we've been waiting for is finally here. The Rivers State High Court has ruled that Governor Siminalayi Fubara can legally work with the three lawmakers who have not vacated their seats in the State Assembly. Yay! Ah, very good. Thank God. Victory at last. Abi, the three lawmakers who have not vacated their seats, legally work with them. Three is enough. The 27, it's a crowd. They are crowd, abeg. Finally. That's a very good news for Fubara. This judgment was delivered on December 20, by Justice Sika Aproko, who dismissed a case filed against the governor and the state government. The suit filed by the Association of Legislative Drafting and Advocacy Practitioners sought to compel the governor to present the 2024 budget to the assembly members led by Martins Amiroli. These 27 lawmakers had lost their seats after defecting to other political parties. Justice Aproko ruled that Governor Fubara is within his rights to transact business with the remaining lawmakers. Thank you, Mr. Judge. Thank you very much, including presenting the budget and making key state appointments. The judge referenced similar instances in the past when governors continued with fewer assembly members. The court also clarified that the vacated seats could only be addressed if the lawmakers challenged their status in court or if elections were held to fill those positions. The court declared the group's request invalid and dismissed the suit. God will bless you. God will bless you. Additionally, a fine of 500,000 was imposed on the claimants in favor of the defendants. Very good. Therefore, the same way His Excellency Ezenwo Nyesom Wike presented budget and financial bill with only 6 members when the numbers were less than two-thirds of the 32 members, so shall His Excellency Siminalayi Fubara, the governor of Rivers State, be constitutionally guided to interface and approach the properly constituted House of Assembly led by Oko Jumbo to carry on the business of the state, and until the 27 lawmakers who defected and lost their seats approaches the court for a redemption or INEC conducts another election to the seats vacated by 27 lawmakers upon their defection. God will bless you. So even Wike himself has presented budget to 6 members before. So why are they all shouting that like Fubara has done what nobody has ever done before? Why would he present his bill to 3 members? Is unlawful, is this, is that? Can you people hear? Can you people hear that it is legal, it is within his legal rights? Isha will not put the state on hold because of some people that defected. God bless this judge. God will really bless him. In sum, until the Supreme Court gives its verdict on the issue of jurisdiction which affects the status of the 27 lawmakers, it is only those who did not vacate their seats. The governor can constitutionally approach the present budget, appoint chief judges and presidents, customary courts, also screen commissioners, including the Attorney General, and make board appointments. Now down here, shame to bad people. That the claimants claim seeking declaratory and injunctive relief for the representation of the 2024 budget to the former 27 lawmakers who defected and automatically vacated their seats lacks merit and is accordingly dismissed. They should go to their house and chill. They should go and swallow water on this their failure. They should leave Fubara alone. They cannot win this case. It's not possible for them to win it. It is dismissed though. That this suit be and is hereby dismissed with cost in the sum of 500,000 naira awarded in favor of the defendants and against the claimants. Very good news. Very, very good news for Fubara. Zachariah Jatao says, Karma is alive. What was good for Wike is also good for Fubara. Now so, if Wike can present to 6 members, there's nothing wrong with Fubara presenting to 3 members that are legal, that did not defect. How will I be reading my budget to people that defected already to another party? It's good. Thank God. God bless the judge. Kasim Edomiade says, legal firework upon legal firework. Nigeria politicians should swallow their pride and go to Fubara on their knees to beg him. That was what they should have just done. You did something wrong. You know you are in the wrong. You know that what you did is wrong. Constitutionally, you know that you're not supposed to leave. If you leave, your seat becomes vacant. You are now doing shakara on top. You are now carrying the governor to court. Doing anyhow because one person is telling you to keep dancing and behind you, don't worry. So people to go and beg and say, governor, we are sorry. We made a mistake. We are very, very sorry. and probably with his good heart he would have forgiven you and made you go back to your seat. But you want to show, you want to prove yourself, that you have the power to impeach the governor, and you're going to impeach him after leaving. Look at you now. Shame on you people. Instead of them to go on their knees to beg him before their wives start to run, leave them. Their wives go don't show them shege for house. I'm very sure that who was the person that advised you? Did you ask me before you go and defect? And their wife should be showing them hell at home. They deserve it. They really, really deserve it. I don't know how long people will continue to pay them, just the way Oshomole was paying his runaway boys. They'll get tired. I'm sure they are really regretting it. Now even Wike himself will be regretting him telling them to defect. Don't worry, I have my lawyers, I have my judges. They'll rule in your favor. Don't worry. Shame to them. Shame to them. Christopher Abdo says Wike shot himself on the leg. Karma is at work. Those 27 seats remains vacant. What goes around comes around. Yes, so very soon Abuja will disappoint him. That one saved day. Give peace a chance, please. Rivers belongs to the people, not to one person. When a wood insect gathers sticks on its head, it carries them. Yes, so. Yes, so. Offense bucket says, Fubara, you are drowning politically. I better shut up your mouth. Drowning, call drowning. Akim Adediran says, the question is who declare their seats vacant and who have power to declare their seats vacant. Let's all be guided. Tenure will soon finish. And before tenure finish, let them do the right thing. It is in the law that if you go, your seat becomes vacant, and the court has done it. So what do you want again? What do you want? World Victor said, indeed, what goes around comes around. I see so many supporting evil suffer shame and agony in advance. Yes, so they deserve it. They really, really deserve it. Lasisi Egade says, any judgment comes from Rivers State High Court should be disregarded. Why should they be disregarded? As you cannot see the light of day, that short period. Now, Nasabi. But for now, we are dancing the victory dance. Until there is another judgment, and by the grace of God, Fubara is still going to win, whether people like it or not. Whether people like it or not, he's going to win. Peter Oguni says, I hope you can finally and quickly dispense with all these court cases and arrests. I wonder what is holding Supreme Court back all these days to put finalities to this legal imbroglios. Okay, it's taking too long already, and many people's interests, including governors and rivers, are at stake. I don't know why courts used to delay so long in making judgments. We are going to postpone to this day. Adjourned. Till when? Till when? Joseph Oko says, Wike claimed as a lawyer he knows the law. If you bend the law to your principles, he must interface whether you are dead or alive. That man, does he even look like somebody that passed through law school? Does he look like somebody that went to school? Does he act? Does he behave like somebody that actually passed the 4 walls of the school? I doubt it. I really doubt it. My listeners, over to you. Leave your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for listening. See you some other time. Bye.